The rapid advancement of technology, particularly in the field of artificial intelligence, has undoubtedly brought about numerous benefits to humanity. However, this progress has also given rise to a dangerous trend, the illusion of human self-sufficiency. As we witness machines capable of performing increasingly complex tasks, a sense of pride and accomplishment washes over us. We begin to believe that we are the masters of our own destiny, capable of solving any problem and overcoming any obstacle. This newfound confidence, while seemingly positive, can lead to a dangerous erosion of faith. When we place our trust solely in human ingenuity, we risk forgetting the ultimate source of all creation and sustenance. The Quran reminds us that true power and knowledge belong to Allah alone. He is the one who has bestowed upon us the ability to reason and innovate, and it is to Him that we must turn for guidance and support. The allure of technological progress can be intoxicating, leading us to believe that we are self-made and self-sufficient. However, this belief is nothing more than an illusion, a deceptive whisper that seeks to distance us from our Creator. As Muslims, we must remain vigilant against such temptations and remember that our true strength lies in our submission to the will of Allah. One of the most ambitious goals of modern science is the colonization of other planets. Driven by a desire to ensure the survival of our species and expand our reach into the cosmos, we pour vast resources into developing technologies that will enable us to establish a human presence beyond Earth. While this aspiration may seem noble on the surface, it reflects a fundamental misunderstanding of our place in the universe. The Quran teaches us that Allah created the heavens and the earth with a specific purpose, and that everything within them operates according to His divine order. Our planet, with its intricate ecosystems and perfectly balanced systems, is a testament to His infinite wisdom and power. To think that we, as finite beings, could replicate such a feat on a barren and lifeless planet is to overestimate our own abilities. Moreover, the pursuit of space colonization can be seen as a symptom of our own spiritual poverty. Instead of focusing on solving the problems that plague our own planet, poverty, hunger, disease, and injustice, we are distracted by the allure of conquering new frontiers. This outward focus prevents us from addressing the root causes of suffering in our world and fulfilling our true purpose as stewards of Allah's creation. To truly understand our place in the universe, we must first acknowledge our humble origins. The Quran tells us that Allah created Adam, the first human being, from clay. This act of creation, far from being a random or insignificant event, was a deliberate and purposeful act of the divine. By fashioning us from the earth, Allah is reminding us of our connection to the natural world and our dependence on His sustenance. Throughout the Quran, Allah uses the imagery of earth and water to describe the creation of human beings. We are constantly reminded that we are not above or separate from nature, but rather an integral part of it. This understanding should instill within us a sense of humility and gratitude, recognizing that we are but one of countless creations that owe their existence to the Almighty. The story of our creation serves as a powerful reminder of our transient nature. Just as we were formed from the earth, so too shall we return to it upon our death. This cyclical understanding of life and death should guide our actions in this world, encouraging us to live in accordance with Allah's will and strive to earn His pleasure. The Quran is clear that our purpose in life is not merely to exist, but to worship Allah alone. This worship encompasses all aspects of our lives, from our daily prayers and rituals to our interactions with others and our efforts to make the world a better place. By submitting to Allah's will and striving to live according to His teachings, we fulfill our true purpose as His creations. Our ultimate destiny, according to Islamic belief, is the hereafter. After death, we will be resurrected and judged by Allah based on our deeds in this life. Those who have lived righteously and believed in Him will be rewarded with eternal paradise, while those who have rejected His guidance will face the consequences of their actions. This understanding of our purpose and destiny should shape our priorities and guide our actions. Instead of being consumed by worldly pursuits and material possessions, we should focus on cultivating our relationship with Allah and striving to live a life that is pleasing to Him. In a world where information flows freely and rapidly, the line between truth and falsehood can often blur. The teachings of Islam emphasize the importance of discernment and wisdom. As we navigate the complexities of the digital age, these principles serve as a shield against deception. By grounding ourselves in faith and knowledge, we can better distinguish between what is real and what is not. This shield, fortified by our values, helps us remain steadfast and true in the face of ever-evolving challenges. In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, AI stands as a beacon of light, illuminating possibilities that were once the realm of imagination. Yet, it is crucial to remember that this light must be guided by the principles of our faith, ensuring it serves humanity in the most beneficial and ethical manner. As we navigate the complexities of AI, we must be vigilant of Satan's deceit. The allure of power and knowledge can lead us astray if not grounded in sincerity. True sincerity, rooted in faith, acts as a shield, protecting us from the pitfalls of arrogance and hubris. AI, when aligned with divine wisdom, can be a manifestation of Allah's mercy. It has the potential to alleviate suffering, enhance well-being, and bring about positive change. But it is our responsibility to ensure that this technology is used compassionately, reflecting the merciful nature of our Creator. In times of uncertainty and rapid change, it is our faith that provides solace. By anchoring ourselves in the timeless teachings of Islam, we can navigate the challenges posed by AI with confidence and clarity. Faith offers us a steady compass, guiding us towards a future that harmonizes technological advancement with spiritual growth.